So one frustration, or it's more of a subjective method, because you have to use humans in the field to take the concrete samples always, right? And if you have a pretty big pour, say you're doing 2,000, 3,000 yards in a day, and if you're taking 200 samples from one day's pour, so what ends up happening is even if you have 2 to 3 guys taking different samples, there is tiredness among guys. The way to offset that is to have many technicians on site. What that does is it increases the cost, right? If you want to have 6 different concrete field techs, that's definitely more expensive than having 2 or 3 field techs. So you got to balance that somehow. So we were installing foundations for an upcoming building. I can't give any more details right now for that, but it was a pretty significant size foundation, some of the biggest foundations I've ever seen in an industrial setting. So it was that, and I've used SmartRock on only one project so far. But it was, I want to say, almost 20,000 to 30,000 cubic yards of concrete that we placed, and I think we used almost 48 to 52 sensors on our project. We did the half calibration or something like that. So what that did was that gave me a pretty good idea of where the concrete strength is. So I was able to take forms out sooner or leave them in depending on how comfortable we were with the strength that we had got. I didn't necessarily have to wait for the concrete breaks to come back in. And then just using that same concrete mix design and Giatec product, what happened was I knew that once my concrete reaches this temperature, this should be the ideal strength after so many days. So that helped me make decisions. All right, I can take out forms. I can use these forms somewhere else.